Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Bluetooth audio lag. In the title of this video we have the audio lag with the TWS Earbuds, but actually this fix work for every type of device that is Bluetooth audio. So the first thing, settings, about phone, and here now you need to go to the detailed info and specs, and here tap Android version, not Android version, where is that? OS version until you see you are now a developer. You'll need to enter your pattern. Now go back, and open the developer settings, which are here in the additional settings. Now scroll down till you see the networking. Here, as I can see, we are now in the networking, and now here, as I can see, we have every single Bluetooth setting here. When you see HD audio, make sure this is disabled. Bluetooth audio codec, instead of setting some LDAC or something like that, select the use system preference. Same everything here, just set everything here to the default one. Now you should be done. If it didn't work for you, you need to open the settings back again, open Bluetooth, tap here on this, not here, this additional settings button right here, and now Bluetooth Blocklist. Make sure that there aren't any devices that you use. Here, apart from that, we do have per compatible devices. Disable this option. Now try to repair. If it doesn't work, you need to contact device support of your earbuds or from your phone. To detect that, you need to, try to pair your earbuds with a different device, and if it doesn't work still with a different device, the issue are your earbuds, but if it does work with the other device, the issue is your phone. Goodbye.